Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down below in the description. This video reflects my personal experience using the service. In this video, we're exploring CreditExpert.fr. This platform provides a valuable service for anyone navigating the sometimes complex world of credit management in France. Whether you're looking to understand your current credit score, explore loan options, or simply gain a better understanding of your financial health, CreditExpert.fr offers a range of tools and resources. Their website, located at https://www.creditexpert.fr, provides access to these tools and information. The site's interface is designed with user-friendliness in mind, making it easy to navigate even for those less familiar with financial platforms. CreditExpert.fr can be a powerful asset for both individuals and businesses seeking to make informed financial decisions. They appear to offer a variety of services, helping users assess their creditworthiness and understand their financial standing. From credit reports to personalized advice, their platform aims to empower users to take control of their financial well-being. It's always a good idea to thoroughly research and compare different credit management services to find the one that best suits your individual needs. So, be sure to check out CreditExpert.fr and see if it aligns with your financial goals. Remember to carefully review their terms and conditions and privacy policy, as with any financial service. Understanding the details of any agreement is crucial before committing to a platform. With the increasing complexity of financial landscapes, tools like CreditExpert.fr can be invaluable in navigating the various options and making sound financial choices. Consider exploring their site further and see if the services offered can help you achieve your financial objectives. They may also offer resources and educational materials to further enhance your financial knowledge. Take the time to explore the site's features and determine if it's the right fit for your specific circumstances. This is just an overview based on my experience, so be sure to conduct your own research.